Assalamu alaikum students. This is the lecture for the class 6th, unit 2nd of the political science called Prejudice, Discrimination and Inequality. First of all, we will see what is prejudice. Here are two terms, that is stereotype and prejudice. Stereotype means widely held beliefs about traits that are characterized of members of a particular group. It means that in a society a particular group has this feeling that we are superior or someone is inferior to them. Or for example, some group feels that boys are more uh, physically strong as compared to girls, or boys can do whatever they want and girls can't do that thing. Girls can't do that things. This is a type of stereotype feeling. Now, the second thing is prejudice. Prejudice means feeling directed towards group of people or individual person. It means that we have a feeling, what that is good feeling or bad feeling. It depends, but that feeling towards a group of people or an individual person. Feeling should can be good or bad, or a negative feeling or a positive feeling. Now we will see the in the next thing. Here we have the another term, that this is inequality. Inequality means difference in size, degree, circumstance, or lack of equality. It means inequality, that's if we have two shirts, one is 26 size and second is 46 size, this is an inequality. This is inequality in the sizes. Or we can say that inequality, we give boys more opportunities than girls. This is a type of inequality in the society. Third term is a discrimination. It means the unjust or prejudicial treatment of different categories of people, especially on the grounds of race, age, or sex. It means that we discriminate people on which basis? On race, age, or sex. That race means that someone is black or someone is white, we give more opportunity to the white and less to the black. Or we say that black people are very good and these black people are poor, or they are dirty. In the same way, on the basis of sex, we say that girls are weak than boys. Now we will see what your text is about. Prejudice, discrimination, equality are the most potential source of social tensions. They are a serious threat to the national unity of the country. So we can say that these three terms, or these three are the social evils or social tensions in our society, in the country. It can lead to divide in the society. We can say that these are the social evils or social tensions in our society. First of all, we will see prejudice. The word prejudice means judging someone in a negative manner or thinking them as a person or inferior quality. We can say that prejudice means we are judging someone. We judge someone that, for example, if we saw a girl or a boy, if they are brother and sister, but we see that they are not good, they are not, or their dress is not good. We judge people on the basis of dressing. We judge people on the basis of color, that he is black color, he is white, he is smart, he is intelligent. We judge people, or we have that negative feeling towards another group or towards a person. In other words, prejudice is an antipathy or a negative feeling, or we can say prejudice is a negative feeling about a person or a group towards a person, or we have that negative feeling towards a group. This is because the person belongs to a specific religion, race, nationality, or another group. It means if a person or a group of people are like, we have the Islam or Hinduism or Sikhism, we have different religions. If someone is from the Hindus or the Sikhs, we say that they are not good people, they are from that religion. We are Muslims, we are good. This means this is a type of discrimination, or this is a type of negative feeling we develop. Or race, based on color, white and black. Also, we can say it also means having an opinion about something without knowing anything about it. So we can say that we develop a feeling, we develop a judgment that, but if we are not known about that things, but still we judge people or we judge things. For example, if we think India is a good country, we live in India, we say that India is a good country, but we say that other countries are not good. So this is a type of judgment. This is we judge things. So we are saying that we judge countries negatively. We can say that prejudice is a prejudging. It means prejudice is a prejudging statements we give to the person or to the group. Discrimination is the practice of treating one person or a group of people less fairly or less well than other people or groups. For discrimination, we treat people less fairly. That means if someone, like some on the basis of caste, we can say that they are in the, for example, in Hindus there are four types of varnas or caste system: Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. So the Brahmanas treat Shudras very less fairly. They say that don't touch us, don't enter our religious places. This is a type of discrimination. Or we can say that girls, boys, in our families sometimes our family say that boys are more stronger, or boys can do this thing, boys can do that thing, but girls can't do. This is a type of discrimination. So when people or a group is treated unfavorably based on prejudice, it is called a discrimination. So if we have that negative feeling that someone is good, someone is bad, this is a type of discrimination. Sometimes this unfavorable treatment can also be against the law. If we discriminate someone, this is against law based by our government. Discrimination may also mean putting other persons down and not allowing them to participate in social, economic and religious activities, restricting them their access to work or denying them something for which they are entitled by the law. This we discussed earlier, that if someone is from the upper caste or lower caste, the upper castes do not allow the lower castes to come to the religious places and restrict and does not give them those opportunities which they also need and which also the law provides them. But there is discrimination in the many phases. According to the Constitution of India, any discrimination among the people is not allowed on the grounds of sex, caste, race, place of birth or religion. We saw that there is discrimination, but our Indian Constitution has prohibited this discrimination on the basis of sex. That means we should not discriminate people on the basis of sex or male or female, caste, whether from upper caste, lower caste or middle caste, race, whether white or in color or black in color, place of birth, whether from Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Kashmir, Jammu, or religion from Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh. All are equal. No one is inferior or no one is superior. Indian Constitution empowers the state to practice protective discrimination for historically disadvantaged groups of the population categories. Indian Constitution has given the authority, the states, empower the states, give them the power that you should protect these groups, these disadvantaged groups which are mentioned below. These are historically very from beginning these are discriminated, or they are not given equal opportunities, they are not given equality. What is this discrimination? This discrimination means someone is not given equal opportunity, someone is treated unequal. This is a type of discrimination. So who are these categories? Women, children, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, physically challenged, other backward classes and minorities. These groups are from the very beginning are discriminated on the basis of sex, caste, race, place of birth or religion. These are, so we can say that prejudice, discrimination, inequality. Prejudice means that having the negative feeling towards a group or or a person. Discrimination means discrimination on the basis of race, religion, caste, sex. Inequality means that we are not giving equal opportunities to all the, whether from the rich, whether from poor, whether from upper caste, whether from lower caste. we should provide them these opportunities to the disadvantaged groups. So these are the social evils or social tensions in our country which are threat to the unity of the country. Next things we will discuss in next topic. Thank you.